Okay, so let's solve this system by graphing. I think this is number 10 in Module 4, Lesson 1. Something like this. All right, it says to solve the system of linear equations by graphing. If I change the equations to slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, I take the first equation and I'm going to solve for y right there, which means I need to get rid of x. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. So when I subtract x from both sides, subtract x, subtract x, I get y equals negative x plus 9. My y-intercept is positive 9. Graph the y-intercept on the y-axis, which is about right there. All right, my graph's a little small. Wish I'd found a bigger one. And then my slope is negative 1 right there. And as a fraction, I'm going to make that negative 1 over positive 1. So my rise and my run, I'm going to go, for my rise, I'm going to go down 1 and run positive 1. Go down 1, run positive 1. Make these dots a little bit bigger. Down 1, positive 1. Down 1, positive 1. Down 1, oops, down 1, positive 1. Down 1, positive 1. And I need like another line or two to the right, so I'm going to go down 1, positive 1, kind of like that. And let me see if I can connect these with a straight line. As straight as I can get it on an iPad. Okay, well, pretend that's straight. Okay, let's take the second equation, and we're going to do the same thing. I want to switch that to slope-intercept form. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. Negative y equals negative x plus 5. I'm going to divide everything by negative 1 because I want to change the y to positive. So if I divide everything by negative 1, all the signs change. This becomes a positive x minus 5. My y-intercept is negative 5. Graph your y-intercept on your y-axis right there. My slope is positive 1. And as a fraction, that's positive 1 over positive 1. I've got my rise and my run. So up 1, right 1. 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 You know, in my math lab, they only let you graph 2 points to make the line. So on paper, you can do this. On my math lab, you just have to graph 2 points. Up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. Up 1, right 1. Right there's on my point of intersection. So if I connect those with a straight line, my point of intersection is right there at 7, 2. 7, 2 is the solution of the system.